Hey everybody, for today's video we're going to be talking science. Now in science, that means we got to do an experiment, so we always have to make sure we have our safety goggles to make sure nothing happens to our eyes. Now today we're going to see what happens when we combine water, food coloring, and oil. Now Miss Jess, can I get you to please bring me the glass and the water and the oil and everything that I'm going to need for this video?
Sure. Glass.
Thank you.
Another glass. Water. Oil. Food coloring.
So now what we're going to do step by step is we're going to take our nice clear glass and we're going to just fill this with water so that we can see what's going on inside of there. And as you can see, that's filled up with water. I don't need that anymore. And I'm going to take this other glass that we have here. This one's kind of got a blue tint, but you should still be able to see it. I'm going to put some oil inside of this glass here. Just hold this up so you can see.
Scientist Matt, does it matter how much oil you use?
It does not matter. Just put enough in so we can see what's going on. You can see it's kind of a yellow-like liquid. And we're going to seal up our oil because that's important in case it gets knocked over, like so. Doesn't spill all over the table. After this, we're just going to move our water glass to the side, and we're going to focus predominantly on our oil glass. And we're going to take our food coloring.
Does it matter what color?
It does not matter what color. And we're just going to take a couple drops.
How many drops?
Just a couple.
How many is a couple?
3, 4, 5, as many as you're feeling. And you're going to put that in there. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but it's just staying in clumps together in the oil. And we're going to seal up the blue. And I want to do another color, so I'm going to throw in some red or pink, purple, whatever this is. And
I believe it's pink.
pink it is. I'm going to drop in a couple droplets of pink here. And again, it clumps up in the oil. When that's all said and done, Miss Jess, stir stick, please. You can grab a stir stick. For this experiment, I'm going to use a paintbrush. I'm sticking it into the oil, and I'm just going to mix it all together. And as you can see, the coloring will start to break up. Can you see that, Miss Jess?
Uh-huh.
Start to break up and go all around in the oil. Now, after that's said and done, put the stir stick down. I'm going to bring back our water cup. And I'm going to slowly pour our oil into our water cup. Now look at all these bubbles that start happening. Now you're going to see those bits of food coloring at the top of the water here in the oil. Now give it a little bit of time. Once it diffuses through the oil, it's going to diffuse into the water and separate. As you can tell, because of density issues, the oil sits on top of the water, and that causes our food coloring to have to work its way down. Now if you look closely, you can see our food coloring starting to make it through the oil and starting to disperse into the water. Miss Jess, can you get a nice close-up on that?
Trying.
I can hold it up.
Look at that go.
As you can see, we have two colors on the top. We have pink and blue coming through the oil and diffusing into the water. Now isn't that neat?